Hello everyone! In this video, we'll explore how to change the default download location in Windows 11. Typically, when you download files from browsers like Google Chrome, they go directly to your Downloads folder. If you prefer to have them in a different location such as your desktop or documents, follow these steps. Open File Explorer and navigate to This PC. Open the local disk. Proceed to Users folder and select your specific user folder. Inside your folder, locate Downloads folder, which is the default download location. To change it, right-click on Downloads, select Properties, and go to the Location tab. Click on Move, and then choose the new location where you want your downloads to go. For example, select Desktop and click Apply. A warning prompt will appear, asking if you want to move existing files to the new location. Your choice depends on whether you want to move the current files from Downloads to Desktop. Then, click OK after making your decision. Another prompt will ask if you want to redirect future downloads to the new location. Click Yes and then OK. From now on, all your downloads will be directed to the new location, in this case, the desktop. By following these steps, you've successfully changed the default download location in Windows 11. So, if you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bye-bye!